Wow. It's perfect. Frozen blue metallic, just like we planned. Congratulations on the Nordic Auto Festival Award. Yes, we won. Thank you.
Alt I laget, kom to hekt. That's good, stop. Oh. No, what happened?
The engine bay is compromised, but I can work with this. It's worse than I thought. Still, a challenge is a challenge.
Easy. Slow. Slow. Stop.
Okay, let's trace this wiring. Right here, it's completely melted. And I think I found the origin on the diagnostics. Show us the data. All right, team, it's time.
Yes, let's do this.
We're ready, boss.
The bore looks clean. Yeah, I think we have a chance.
The fender is toast, but check this out. It's perfectly clean inside. The fire didn't even touch it. The run out on the crank is within tolerance. What did you get on the piston diameter?
Same as before, 0.05 over.
All right, let's see this. Yes, perfect. The serial number is clean. All right, let's see this. Yes, perfect. The serial number is clean. The gap looks good.
Yep.
Torque set to factory spec. Applying lube now. Check. Torque's good. Pass the intake, please.
Got it. Watch your eyes. Welding's hot. Clear. And that's the last one. Wow, it looks amazing.
Incredible work, everyone.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Keep it precise on the seam.
Right, along the factory line.
Just the skin, the skeleton solid.
The frozen blue is phenomenal. It actually looks like a glacier.
The way it shifts from cayenne to icy blue is unreal.
Wow. It's perfect. Frozen blue metallic, just like we planned.
Left, steady, down, stop.
It's alive. Yes! Woohoo! Oh yeah.
Welcome in Aftur. Welcome back, everyone. The green flag is about to drop. Let's see who conquers the ice tonight.
Congratulations on the Nordic Auto Festival Award. Yes, we won. Thank you.